Hi everyone, this is Kathleen Short coming to you live from beaches, Turks and Caicos, where we just arrived moments ago, and I want to share with you our beautiful room location. I'm actually standing right outside my room, and if you zoom in, you can't really tell because the sun's going down, but the ocean is like, it's like right there, like literally like right there. It's so cool. Okay, we are in the Key West Village. So there are multiple villages at Beaches, Turks and Caicos. There's Key West, there's Italian, Caribbean, and French Village. So I'm gonna just kind of give you a little tour of our room that is located in the Key West Village. We are literally right next to the Italian Village. We requested that because that puts us kind of more central. So we have, we're in the West Village. We have a 1-bedroom concierge villa suite. So we do have the concierge service. And this is a category, I think it's an L1B. So we're in 6521. So I'm gonna take you on a little tour. It's this darling little porch right here. My husband has already settled in. He's kind of checking emails. And you've got that nice lounger, the table, and you have a little drying rack. And then I'll pan around so you can see our view. Again, that's the Italian Village. And that is literally the ocean right there. And then there's a swimming pool in that courtyard. There's multiple swimming pools, but you can use all the pools. You don't just have to use your village. Okay, so I'm gonna come in here. When we first came in, there was the platinum seal there, like just showing that they've cleaned it all. So I'm gonna show you our home away from home this week. And sorry, our luggage just got delivered, so we just kind of dumped it. But okay, so this is the living room, and this is where my teenagers will be sleeping. They have a trundle bed. So you literally just take this cover off and all the sheets are under there, and then the cover goes on during the daytime, so you're not getting like that all messed up. And then down below, we will pull out the trundle and just scoot the furniture over. This is actually a really ideal situation if you have kids, maybe like I have a boy and a girl, and they're 18 and 20, and they don't want to share a bed anymore, and they would drive each other crazy. So this is like a perfect situation for us where they're not sharing a queen bed. So you've got your smart TV, you've got a little bar and kitchenette. And then over here, you don't mind our luggage, we have a seating area. We already have like our playing cards, and we're ready to go. We brought some dominoes. We're gonna have such a great time. And I love this little drop zone. We just dropped our luggage over there, and here's it looking out. And it's got a privacy shade we can pull down, and just darling plantation shutters. Okay, so coming into here, we've got our little kitchen. Of course, we're not going to be cooking or anything like that, but it is great to have this space. It's like loaded with like wine glasses and just different, you know, cups and what have you. I'm going to request ice because I've hurt my knee, so I can ice my knee. We've got a coffee and tea station just ready to go. They have coffee mugs and tea stuff there as well. And then we've got the fridge, and they stock it. I requested extra waters, and so they put a ton of waters in there for us. Fruit juices, Sprite, Diet Coke, like the real Diet Coke, and Coke, orange juice, cranberry, cocktail juice, and apple juice. And then when we checked in, we filled out a form for the kind of wine and alcohol that we want. Since we're staying concierge level, it's not just gonna be in our room. They have you fill out a form, and then that will be delivered to our room, they said, shortly. Okay, and there is ice. That's awesome. And then these are just mechanical closets. And then in here we have the bathroom, which is stocked with, they have a giant bottle of hand sanitizer. And then it has the Red Lane Spa stuff. Now, I am one who usually brings my own shampoo and lotions and all of that, but their stuff is really nice. So like I didn't have to pack all that. Super excited. Not a lot of getting ready space, but I think it's a smart trade-off because the room location is great and the space is great for us. So you've got the storage down there, and we're not gonna be spending a lot of time getting ready because we're gonna be like out at the pool. And then we've got like a bathtub shower combo. So those of you who have little ones and need to bathe them, this would also be a great situation for you. Okay, and then there's a door leading into the master bedroom and a door from here, so that if the people sleeping in the living room have to potty, then they're not having to go through the master. And then through here, there is a washer and dryer. So not that I want to do a bunch of laundry on vacation, but I did pack some pods because I knew this was going to be in our room. And that way I don't have to maybe bring like stinky stuff back and all of that. So super helpful, and it's got a nice little pocket door. This is truly just a home away from home. Then in here, we've got the king size bed. Oh yes, very nice. A nice full length mirror, a closet with extra pillows and blankets, and a nice huge safe, ironing board. And they even give you like umbrellas to use if you need to go somewhere, maybe during one of the little afternoon rainstorms. And then another smart TV. And then I'll take you out. We have a back porch. How cute is this? My kids are out here. They're ready to go to dinner. Oh, and there's Jarrett too. Okay, let me see if I can figure out. Can you all help me open the door? Oh, I did it. Okay, oh nice. It has a screen. And then they just had me all kinds of locked. Okay, and then it's got a table and chairs out here, and another view, and there's a view of the Italian village. So that is the grand tour of our category L1B in the Key West section, a concierge, 1-bedroom villa suite. And we are so excited, so excited. So we will be making more content this week and can't wait to share it with you. Have a magical day.